The federal government is letting 4 American companies grow and study cannabis for medical research. And one of them is based right here in South Central Pennsylvania. Fox 43's Harry Lee explains how this could launch a whole new class of prescription drugs in the first part of our Little Green Pill series.
The active ingredient in aspirin originally came from a willow tree. Penicillin came from mold. We don't use these raw products as medicines anymore. So why are we still smoking cannabis?
The definition of medical marijuana is about to change. For the first time ever, 4 companies have been federally approved to grow and study cannabis to make pharmaceuticals.
Yes, I'm a physician.
Dr. Steve Groff of York County is running one of those companies. At first, the orthopedic spine surgeon was wary of medical marijuana, comparing the cannabis bud to poppy flowers.
Nowadays, you don't take that opium poppy and ask a patient to rub it on their lip for their morphine. It gets processed. It's been FDA approved.
He wondered, how could marijuana be used medically if it wasn't a medicine?
We know that the plant has powerful potential medical effects, but it clearly needs more refinement, more research, and more data.
What about medical marijuana? Is it medical? Is it a step in the right direction?
So medical marijuana is the beginning. It's again come a long way in 25 years, but we believe in 5 or 10 years there'll be very specific medicines that are made from the marijuana flower, the marijuana plant.
His opinion joins a growing chorus of voices.
Federally legal, FDA and DEA approved cannabis-based drugs will absolutely upend the traditional pharmaceutical market.
Look forward to a time where they are not considered alternative therapies or home remedies, but actually first-line therapies.
These pioneers are on the forefront of cannabis research, approved by the DEA for the first time ever in summer 2021. This was the first federally legal cannabis grown in Pennsylvania.
This is their first crop, and it could be the beginning of a whole new branch of medicine.
Medicine that could be safer than smoking or vaping.
Lighting something on fire and passing it through your lungs is probably not the best way to treat that illness.
Medicine for a variety of conditions.
Anti-cancer effects, Parkinson's, Tourette's, mental health issues.
Epilepsy, anti-inflammatory, analgesia, anti-anxiety.
Insomnia, autism spectrum disorder. We could potentially develop north of 11,000 drugs. Is the future exciting? Absolutely.
This research is the start of something big. There's a vast market for these drugs, potentially hundreds of billions of dollars. That's why it's worth paying attention to where these studies lead. Harry Lee, Fox 43 News.